The Brooklyn Bicycle Co. Franklin 3. Brooklyn Bicycle Co. focuses on building bikes that are designed for durability, comfort, and style. This focus is apparent in the Franklin 3. The step-through frame makes mounting the bike effortless, regardless of what you're wearing, and it's made of lightweight steel so you can easily carry the approximately 33-pound bike up and down stairs. The rear hub and shifter are made by Shimano, one of the top names in the industry, and the bike comes with puncture-resistant tires. Both the saddle and grips are made of vegan leather for maximum comfort. The Franklin 3 is a 3-speed bike, but there are also single-speed and 7-speed options. The bike comes in a small/medium or large, and it's available in 5 colors: ivory, matte coral, gloss black, sea glass, and cardinal red. If you'd prefer a top tube that is closer to parallel with the ground rather than a step-through frame, check out the Bedford 3. New York Magazine recommends the Franklin 3 because it hides the gears within the hub, so you still get the single-speed look. The reviewer also noted that it's easy to maintain and operate, since the chain doesn't move when switching gears. Industry Outsider recommends the Franklin 3 and the Bedford 3. The reviewer notes that the two bikes share a lot of similarities, including the frame material and drivetrain. He liked that the Franklin 3 came with fenders, a double chain made by KMC, a chain guard, and a sealed bottom bracket. The fender keeps water and mud from flying up onto you, and the other features will help with long-term durability. A Revisione colleague tested and recommends the Bedford 3. He appreciated how painless it was buying the bike online and picking it up fully assembled. About 97% of the customer reviews on the Brooklyn Bicycle Co. site gave the Franklin 5 stars. Monique submitted one of the most helpful reviews. She was thrilled with the Franklin because the step-through crossbar made mounting the bike easy with her bad leg. She also found the bike so comfortable and enjoyable that she felt like a kid again riding it. Other buyers were impressed with how quick and hassle-free the ordering and pickup process was, and there are several comments about the bike's attractive appearance. Next up, we have the best high-end commuter bike